Hello, if you missed class today, we missed you, and hopefully things get all sorted out with the power outages and all that good stuff. So just really quickly, a recap of what we did so that you can get caught up. So on Google Classroom, everything will be there for you. So go ahead and click on the classwork tab. If you scroll down this week, you won't see this kind of extra stuff because I haven't posted it yet. But for this week, you can click on Monday, 8/17. And then here are the things that we did. So we did an all about you Google form. And this was done kind of at the very beginning as the do now while I was letting people in. So all you need to do is click on this link here. It'll take you to the Google form. Go ahead and fill it out and then submit that Google form. I would love to read all of these, so hoping that you can fill those out. The second thing that we did was we went over kind of class norms together, and I shared a Zoom kind of etiquette banner thing that I can go ahead and upload for you to take a look at. The third thing that we did in class was an online scavenger hunt. So I put you all in breakout groups, and we did this during the live Zoom. Instead of me showing you exactly where everything is on my website in Google Classroom, I had you do it together. So if you click on this link here, it'll take you to another Google form. The first few is with your group members. If you're doing this at home, don't worry about your group members' names. Just go ahead and write, I'm doing it by myself. And then pages 2 and 3 have a bunch of questions about where can you find things on Google Classroom and where can you find things on my website. So hopefully this will help you get situated in where everything is in my class. And then we didn't have time to kind of start these, but if you look onto here on Flipgrid, you can click on this link either for block 2 or for block 3. There's going to be a topic that's called Introduce Yourself, and I would love for you in about 1 minute to introduce yourself to the class. So Flipgrid is going to be a place where we can record videos and share them, and it's just for our own class. So in this video, I want you to include your name and your pronouns, your grade level, what classes you're taking, some likes and hobbies, and then also some fun facts. You can check out my video, or I know some students have already submitted theirs, so you can check out theirs for any inspiration on there. So you're just going to record a response on there. And hopefully you can get this done. The recommended due date for this is Wednesday because we're going to start taking a look at them. So if you could complete this stuff by Wednesday, that would be great. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow.